A very pleasant morning to all my dear students. Today, 26th of September 2020. Today we are going to start the explanation of lesson number 5 of supplementary reader, that is movement, isn't it? The name of the chapter is The Happy Prince. The Happy Prince. Today we are going to explain two pages, that is page number 28 and 29. So all of you must take out your book. I am going to read, just see in your book, right? Yes. Shall we start? High above the city, on a tall column, stood the statue of the Happy Prince. Okay. So there stood the statue of the Happy Prince in the tall column of the city. Okay, in the tall column, the statue of Happy Prince lie there. He was gilded all over, the thin leaves of fine gold. For eyes, he had two bright sapphires, and a large red ruby glowed on his sword hilt. So he was gilded. Gilded meaning covered with gold leaf. Gilded means covered with gold, covered with gold leaf. Right? Gilded means covered with gold leaf. So the statue was gilded with or covered with gold leaf. Then it has also a sapphire. Sapphire means a kind of gem. Sapphire means a kind of gem. Right? Kind of gem. Okay. Ruby is a precious stone of red color. Right? It's a red color. So, the statue of Happy Prince was gilded all over the thin leaves of fine gold. Then in his eyes, two sapphires means a gem was there, and a large red ruby glowed on his sword hilt. उसकी तलवार पर एक रूबी का पत्थर था. One night there flew over the city in a little swallow. उस सिटी में कौन आया? Little swallow is a bird, right? His friends had gone away to Egypt 6 weeks before, but he had stayed behind. Then he decided to go to Egypt too. So his friends had already gone to Egypt. And he left there, और वो वहीं रह गया. So he also wanted to go to Egypt. अब वो भी इजिप्ट जा रहा था. All day long he flew, and at night time he arrived the city. पूरे दिन भर वो swallow bird उड़ता रहा और नाइट में उसी शहर में आके रहा. Where shall I put up? He said. I hope the town has made preparations. Now swallow bird asked himself that where should I took the shelter? कहाँ मैं रुकूं? इस सिटी में कोई ना कोई तो ऐसी जगह होगी जहाँ पे मैं रह सकता हूँ. Then he saw the statue on the tall column. और फिर उसने वो स्टेचू देखा, बिल्कुल ऊंचाई पे, हाइट पे वो स्टेचू देखा. I will put up there, he cried. उसने कहा I will stay here under this statue. It is a fine position with plenty of fresh air. This statue consists of fresh air. यहाँ हवा अच्छी आएगी. So he alighted just between the feet of the Happy Prince. तो Happy Prince के बीच feet में उसने जाके shelter लिया. I have a golden bedroom. Yes, because this statue is gilded with the gold leaves. He said softly to himself as he looked round, and he prepared to go to sleep. But just as he was putting his head under his wing, a large drop of water fell on him. So now he is going to ready to sleep. As he is going to ready to sleep, a large drop of water fell on him. एक पानी की बूंद गिरी. What a curious thing, he cried. कितनी अजीब सी बात है. There is not a single cloud in the sky. बादल तो छाए नहीं है. Stars are quite clear and bright, and yet it is raining. फिर भी बारिश हो रही. This is a very strange thing. Then another drop fell. फिर एक और बूंद गिरी उस पर, swallow पर एक और बूंद गिरी. What is the use of statue if it cannot keep the rain off? बोले स्टैचू का क्या यूज है जब ये बारिश के पानी को ही नहीं रोक पा रही, मुझे उसी पे वही आके मुझ पे गिर रहा है, तो इतने बड़े स्टैचू का क्या यूज रहा. He said, I must look for a good chimney pot and he determined to fly away. उसने कहा कि मुझे कहीं और दूसरी जगह वार्म प्लेस पे जाना है. I should have to go to any other warm place to stay there. Okay. But before he had opened his wings, a third drop fell and he looked up and saw. What did he see? Okay. So when the third drop fell, the bird looked up and that was surprising for him. What did he see? It was the eyes of the happy prince were filled with tears. उस हैप्पी प्रिंस की स्टैचू की आंखों में आंसू भरा हुआ था. And tears were running down his golden cheeks. His face was so beautiful in the moonlight that the little swallow was filled with pity. उसका चेहरा इतना चमक रहा था, इतना ग्लो कर रहा था मूनलाइट पे स्टैचू ऑफ हैप्पी प्रिंस का, कि दैट इट एप्रिशिएट द स्वैलो. ओके. हु आर यू? द बर्ड आस्क्ड. आई एम द हैप्पी प्रिंस. स्टैचू रिप्लाई कि मैं कौन हूँ? हैप्पी प्रिंस हूँ. सो व्हाई आर यू वीपिंग देन? आस्क्ड द स्वैलो. यू हैव क्वाइट ड्रेंच्ड इन इट. ओके ना, क्यों रो रहे हो तुम, क्यों आंसू बह रहे हो? यू आर क्वाइट drenched means made wet. मुझे गीला कर दिया. drenched means made wet. Okay, why you made wet? क्यों मुझे गीला कर दिया? When I was alive and a human heart, answered the statue, I did not know what tears were, for I lived in the palace where sorrow is not allowed to enter. उसने कहा जब मैं जिंदा था एज ए ह्यूमन हार्ट, एट दैट टाइम आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज टीयर्स बिकॉज इन माई पैलेस सॉरो इज नॉट अलाउड टू एंटर. मेरे साम्राज्य में रोना होना कुछ नहीं आता, कोई प्रकार का दुख नहीं था. मैंने बिल्कुल नहीं देखा कि क्या होता दुख या आंसू क्या होते हैं, लाइक दैट. एंड द हैप्पी प्रिंस, बट माई कोर्टियर्स कॉल्ड मी द हैप्पी प्रिंस एंड हैप्पी इंडीड आई वॉज. इसलिए मेरे कोर्टियर्स दरबारी मुझे हैप्पी प्रिंस बोलते थे और हम सब खुश रहते थे. सो आई लिव्ड एंड सो आई डाइड एंड देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स नाउ आई एम डेड दे हैव सेट मी अप हियर सो हाई दैट आई कैन सी द अगलीनेस ऑल द मिजरी ऑफ माई सिटी एंड दो माई हार्ट इज मेड ऑफ lead, yet I cannot choose but weep. So, now the happy prince told that I am now become a statue in a tall column from where I could see all the miseries, ugliness of the city. I cannot, my heart is made up of leaves. Only I can do that weep. मैं सिर्फ रो सकता हूँ और कुछ नहीं कर सकता. I am helpless because I become now a statue. Nothing more. I can't do anything for my people. मैं अपने लोगों के लिए कुछ नहीं कर सकता. What? Is he not solid gold? The swallow to himself. He was too polite to make any personal remarks. Far away, continued the statue in a low musical voice. Far away, in a little street, there is a poor house. The happy prince told that कि बहुत दूर एक छोटी सी गली में एक बहुत ही गरीब घर का इंसान है. One of the windows is open and through it I can see a woman seated at a table. और उस घर के विंडो खुला है जहाँ से मैं ये देख सकता हूँ कि वहाँ पे एक वुमेन टेबल पे बैठी है. Her face is thin and worn and she was coarse, red hand, all pricked by the needles. की उंगलियों में पूरे छेद जैसे हो रहे, जैसे कि कोई जो सिलाई करते हैं उनके स्केच मार्क्स जैसे आ जाते हैं ना, वैसे ही उस लेडी के फिंगर्स में भी आ गए थे. एंड शी इज़ ए सीमस्ट्रेस. वो सिलाई करती थी, कपड़े सिलती थी. She is embroidering flowers on a satin gown for the loveliest of the queens maid of servant to wear at the next court ball. वो फ्लावर satin gown में flowers की एम्ब्रॉयडरी कर रही है जो कि बहुत खूबसूरत है और maids of honor queens के लिए सिल रही है. In a bed in the corner of the room, her little boy is lying ill. पास ही में उसके बेड पर उसका बेटा बीमार बेटा पड़ा है. And in a bed, he has a fever and is asking his mother to give him oranges. His mother has nothing to give him but river water, so he is crying. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, will you not bring her the ruby out of my sword hilt? My feet are fastened to this pedestal and I cannot move. So the happy prince requested Swallow that please take out one ruby from my sword and give it to that poor woman. Okay, to help her. कि मेरे हिस्से में से एक रूबी ले लो और उस वुमेन को जाके दो जिसका बच्चा बीमार है ताकि वो उसका इलाज करे, उसे खाने को दे. ओके, सो हियर द हैप्पी प्रिंस डिड द फर्स्ट जॉब, गुड डिड्स. हैप्पी प्रिंस ने सबसे पहला अच्छा काम जो स्वेलो के थ्रू करा है कि उसने एक ओल्ड सीमस्ट्रेस की हेल्प की जिसका बेटा बीमार था. ठीक है ना, उसको एक रूबी जाके स्वेलो बर्ड को देने को कहा. So this much we have explained. So today we have seen page number 28 and 29. I hope whatever we have discussed, it must be clear to you. Thank you.